Welcome and greetings, spectators. I am Ritik Kumar, a 7th semester BTech student from University Teaching Department, Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University, Bhilai, in the course of Bachelor of Technology, Computer Science and Engineering with honors in Data Science. I am here to present my internship experience which I had done as a full-time intern during my 6th semester from February 2024 to June 2024. A research intern at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur Complex Network Research Group Lab. My day-to-day task was to complete the tasks given by my mentor, which helps in increasing the productivity of their ongoing project works. And I was primarily working in the project of exploring large language models for financial applications. There are many financial applications, but my domain of financial application was financial sentiment analysis and financial relevant fact extraction for financial question answering. These both of the project areas are very important for all the companies, like from financial sentiment analysis, all the companies can understand that what types of statements and what types of decisions, policies made by the government will decide about their stock prices or the product prices they will be having the profits in the future terms. And about financial relevant fact extraction, it is very crucial that we should, from large financial text, we can be able to efficiently get the amount of information that is relevant to our question, that what we want to get the answer from that data. It will be very useful for extracting that data. The tools and technology that I used for this project were, first of all, it was Hugging Face, and it is a very popular library and an open source giant in deep learning tasks. So for large language models, as we know, they require lots of cloud space for deploying. So many of the open source large language models are deployed on Hugging Face cloud data servers, and that I use to extract the weights of a large language models to their parameters. Since we have heard many of times that the large language model is of million parameters or of some billion parameters, those parameters are just the numbers that are of the model, that are the nodes of the neural networks of that large language model. So first of all, I use Hugging Face. Then PyTorch is a very popular library and framework for deep learning models, for deep learning tasks. So these both are primary tools. Also for data visualizations of some data sets, I used scikit-learn, then matplotlib and seaborn. Then I used Google Colaboratory for doing experiments of some small code snippets, that how will they perform during the fine tuning. It was like some unit testing. Then I worked for fine tuning on the Linux server, that is a remote server provided by IIT Kharagpur. Difference between classroom environment and internship environment was that in classroom we know that this question or this problem is for demonstration, like it will be evaluated and we will be marked upon for. And in internship we know the real cause of solving a problem, that what we will get or what results we will achieve for our research during the internship, and that helped to get us the exposure of the industry, that from classroom to industry, how it is far away in the working approach. The working approach we get to learn from this internship. Along with that, the subject taught in my BTech degree were very helpful for completing the task of my internship, for understanding the industry exposure, for completing the task on timelines. Then this internship helped me professionally and personally to grow. Professionally, it learned me a lot about time management skills, for completing deadlines, for communicating with your seniors, mentors, fellow workers, and professionally and personally, it give me the experience, the exposure, that where I stand in this industry and where should I stand after 1 year. this is a very good practice in our college, that we had been given an opportunity to do internship in 6th semester, because after that we have a 1 year to analyze that what we have done during the internship and what we have to do for making ourselves suitable for the industry. A specific example, if I share from classroom that helped me during the internship, would be in 2nd semester I studied Python for data science. That means if we see all the deep learning, machine learning are majorly performed using Python. Then we have learned it during the 2nd semester. So when I was given the task of fine tuning large language models, and I refer the codes previously used for fine tuning some models. So for learning them, for understanding their approach for fine tuning, understanding Python from data science helped me a lot. Then during 5th semester I studied pattern recognition and machine learning subject. That had given all the solid concepts for understanding how machine learning and deep learning work, that directly I implemented in my internship. So it was like you studied the theory some past semesters and just applied in your recent internship. It was very good experience. I would like to advise the future BTech students that who are about to start their internship, that apply as much organizations as you can with a well organized resume, and if you have a relevant project in which the domain you want to work, it will be cherry on cake. Then during internship, try as much as to learn from the environment and to understand the industry in which you are working, and try to communicate professionally. That will enhance and improve your overall ability to communicate, to present yourself, to improve the quality of your work, and to understand yourself, that what are you, who are you in professional terms, in the level of education, what you have to improve in yourself, what you are lagging, what your mistakes you are doing. Everything it will be a worth of if you try to learn as much as you can during your internship. Thank you.